What is going on, YouTube? My name is Kyle. You have made it to Obsessed Auto, and today we're putting this starter on this Grand Prix. Yeah, don't worry about on the hood. So, got all the rust off the rotors last night. It should still fire up. It did just a couple of minutes ago. But yeah, last night, video linked above. I got this thing running. All it took was a little hammer right on the starter, freed up, I assume the armature, fired right over. O'Reilly's did have this very cheap starter on hand. Best test starter. Yeah, how about that? But that's what they had on hand. Coincidentally, very cheap. So, you know, for a flip car, I'm not gonna bat an eye at it. So yeah, we're gonna get this thing in here. The starter is very simple. It's got 2 bolts and then obviously the nuts for the wiring. We'll get that all off, get the new on. I'm gonna go ahead and do a surprise for you. Not really, I'm gonna polish the headlights. It's not really a surprise. And then I need to go back to O'Reilly's and see if we can match the gold pinstriping for the door. Because if you don't want to watch that video and you didn't see it, this door has been replaced. As you can tell, we've got pinstriping, no pinstriping, and pinstriping again. And I think that the pinstriping looks good, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. But I do have just a little bit of reassembly to do from the diagnostic process last night. I do need to get that head unit pulled because this thing had a 4-channel amplifier in it. So all of the sound went through that instead of the head unit itself. Flip cars, when I do them, unless it's just a banging, like super good looking stereo instead of a plywood box screwed to some plastic, they don't stay. They come with me and I either use them for my personal vehicles or I sell them. And this car right here, I don't think, well, I shouldn't say it's not worthy, but I'm not gonna get any gain from keeping the stereo in the car. I could take the stereo out and sell the box and the amp sub and make X amount back. I don't know, likely 300, 350 maybe, somewhere in there. So that's my thought process on that. So that's enough of me jibber jabbering. Let's get to work. All right, so where we are right now is I'm just being me. I do cluster repairs on the side, and I noticed last night when I drove this, it had a bulb out. So I'm gonna replace all the illumination bulbs, pulled out all the wiring for the stereo. It's all just ready to come out of here. And then just putting the interior back together, getting it tidied up, and then we're gonna knock the starter out. So that's where I'm at. There's a little update. I'll put you guys on time lapse and we'll get rocking and rolling on the starter here in a second. All right, as you guys saw in that last one, got the starter mounted. 3 different sizes, 10 mil, well 4 I guess. So 10 mil, 8 mil, 13 and 15. That's what you need for the starter. The 13's for the lug, for the positive wire. The 8 is for the trigger wire. 15's for the body, and the 10 is for the shield that goes in between the casing and the starter. You guys are a little dirty. That's better. All right, well, let's see. I think I have the key in my pocket. I have too many GM products. All of them are GM minus the buggy. All right. First fire. Let's see if she explodes. Sounds like a champ. That starter sounds atrocious, but guess what? It works. That's what we're going for. But yeah, here's the old one. As you can tell, the teeth ground up a little bit, so there's definitely a play issue there. So I very well may just hop under here without the camera, without you guys, and adjust it. That'll be that. So I did notice this is off, so the air filter is doing absolutely nothing. So I'm gonna fix that. Looks like it's been that way for a while. Let's see what else under the hood. Power steering fluid, very, very, very low. So I've got some power steering fluid in my little cabinet. Whoa, hey, it's a new day, but still same me, same Grand Prix. Same me, same Grand Prix. Sorry, it rhymes. I can't help it. So if we come right around here, she runs, she looks good, she's locked. She's a pain to get open. Anywho, we got all that. Fires right up, no lights. Another flip car with low fuel, go figure. We got the AC rocking and rolling. Dude, this is gonna make somebody a very, very good car. We got a little bit of a messy rear view, which is fine, whatever. And then the stereo doesn't produce any sound. It's set up for a 4-channel amplifier. But yeah, she's great. So that is almost the conclusion of this car. Only thing we've got left to do is sell it. So everything mechanically is pretty well sorted. I was unable to find any gold pinstriping. Well, I only went to one O'Reilly's, but yeah. At the point of how much I'm into this thing versus how much I'm gonna get out of it, she's just gonna spread her wings and fly away. But honestly, I cleaned up the headlights, I fixed the air conditioner, fixed the no start condition, and by that I did put a brand new starter on there, well, remanufactured. What else did I do? Oil change. I think that's it. Yeah, that sounds about right. Anyways, if you guys did like this video, please smash that like button. I do appreciate every single one of those that I get on my videos. Lets me know that I'm doing something right, or at least I'm entertaining you. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. I'm putting out 2 videos a week, whether it be detail related, flip car related, repair related. If it's got to do with cars, I'm probably going to make a video about it, and it's going to come out twice a week. Yeah, comment what you think I should sell this thing for. It's a 1999 Pontiac Grand Prix GT, 2-door, 3.8 liter, 194,700 miles, working AC, clean headlights, leather interior, power heated front driver's seat, manual passenger seat. I think the only thing that it's missing, well, 2 things for being fully opted, is sunroof, moonroof, and power passenger seat with heat. Other than that, I think this thing's got all the options. It's got the spoiler, the dual exhaust, all the ground effects are on it. It is that hot rod red that everybody wants. So yeah, anyways, comment what you think this car should sell for. Other than that, I do hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.